In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Vantage app. Now, the first thing that's very important here is that once you've created your trading account, you can't actually change the currency on that specific trading account. However, you can just open a new one, either demo or live or real account, and then you can basically change the currency out there. So let me show you. Now, as you can see, I'm currently inside my demo account up top left. So there's like a number next to it. I'm going to tap on that number and it's going to open my accounts. And as you can see, I have one demo account down here and it's currently in USD. Now there's no way for me to change this. However, I could go and create a new demo account down in the bottom, and then over here I can basically just select whichever one I want, and down the bottom it's going to say choose account currency, and I have USD, GBP, euros, or I also have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so just select the one you want, tap on next, and then you'll be able to get your account created that way in the new currency. So you haven't actually changed the currency, however, you've just opened up a new trading account which has the new currency, and that is pretty much going to be the same thing. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.